Hello friends, good morning one and all. Myself Vijay Savani. Today in this session we are going to discuss about the Boolean function optimization using K-map. Before that, let me tell you about the essential requirement of the lecture part as well as the assignment at your end. So, the essential requirement to excel this subject is there are three options: practice, practice and practice. So, to excel this subject you need to do the practice only, because though it is a logical subject, you always require to do the hands on practices thoroughly. Second advice is you always maintain the class note. Whatever we will teach in the class, try to maintain the class note. Not only at specific lecture, but regularly you try to maintain the class notes. Third, though it is a logical subject, there are certain tips and the tricks, shortcut tricks available to solve the logical problem. So, you try to note down all those tips and the tricks throughout the lecture. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the Karnaugh map. Basically, till this point, up to the previous class, we explore the two component. One is Boolean algebra laws, the simplification of Boolean expression using laws. Second, we have also explored the different methods of representing the system. I mean to say the function. There were two. One is SOP, sum of product. Second is POS, product of sum. Now, in this session, we are going to learn what is a Karnaugh map and for what purpose it is being used. Let me tell you, the Karnaugh maps is basically used to optimize the Boolean function. When I say optimize, it is in terms of resource requirement. I mean to say the amount of hardware required to implement the function, it is to be optimized, though we require to optimize the area required for that particular hardware. So, using K-map we can optimize the Boolean function. In the lecture, I will let you know how it is different than the Boolean algebra, what are the advantage of K-map as compared to Boolean algebra, and how we will solve the examples and we optimize the function using K-map. During the lecture, we will also discuss about the solving of Boolean expression. We will start with the SOP representation, sum of product representation using two variable. Initially we start with two variable, then three variable, then four variable, and at the last we will also will discuss about the n variable K-map. Before starting the solving the problem, it is necessary to know how to solve the K-map. So, we will discuss about what is cell adjacency and how to do the grouping in K-map. Then we will having few example in the class. I will let you know how to solve this example using the previous theory. Then at the last I will give some time to solve some practice examples. Thank you.